I don't feel well. Honey, are you okay?
I don't think so.
What's wrong?
I don't feel well today.
What do you mean?
I feel sick.
Do you have a fever?
I don't think so.
Does your head hurt?
No, it doesn't.
What about your stomach?
Yes, my stomach feels strange.
Did you eat something bad?
I don't think so.
Are you tired?
Yes, I'm very tired.
You should lie down and get some rest.
I slept for almost 10 hours last night.
Maybe you have the flu.
I don't know.
Do you have a sore throat?
No.
Do you have a cough?
No.
That is strange.
There's something else.
What is it?
My period is 1 week late.
1 week? Has that happened before?
Not really.
Are you worried?
A little.
Did you take your birth control pills every day?
I forgot a few times last month.
I see.
Do you think
It is possible.
I might be pregnant?
Maybe.
I don't know what to think.
I think we should buy a pregnancy test.
Today?
Yes, then we will know.
I'm a little nervous.
Don't worry.
What if I am pregnant?
Then that is wonderful news.
Do you really think so?
Yes, we will be very happy. Let's go to the pharmacy. The pregnancy test. Are you ready?
Yes, I think so.
Did you do the test?
Yes, I did.
Can we look at it now?
No, we have to wait 5 minutes.
Okay.
I am so nervous.
I know.
I can't stop thinking about it.
Try to stay calm.
I'm scared.
Why?
We didn't plan to have a baby now.
I know.
I'm also sorry.
Sorry, why?
I didn't take my birth control pills every day.
Please don't blame yourself.
But it was my mistake.
Don't think about that now.
What if we are not ready?
We will be okay.
Do you really think so?
Yes, we will do this together.
Thank you.
We still have a few minutes.
These 5 minutes feel so long.
I know.
I think the time is up.
Already?
Yes, but I'm too scared to look.
Do you want me to check?
Yes, please.
Okay. Wait, how many lines mean you're pregnant?
2 lines. Wait, David?
There are 2 lines.
Really?
Yes, there are 2 lines.
Oh my God!
We're going to have a baby.
I can't believe it!
I am so happy.
What are we going to do now?
First, we are going to take a deep breath.
Okay,
Then, we should make an appointment with the doctor.
you're right.
Everything is going to be okay.
I hope so.
Don't worry, we will do everything together.
Thank you for being with me.
Always. I love you.
I love you too.
The 20-week checkup. Good morning, Alexis.
Good morning.
How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling much better.
That's great to hear.
I'm still a little tired sometimes.
That is normal.
Okay.
Please lie down. I'm going to start the ultrasound now.
I can't wait to see the baby.
There we go.
Oh,
Look at the screen.
I can see the baby.
Yes, everything looks very good.
Really?
Yes, the baby is growing very well.
That makes me so happy.
Here is the head,
I see it.
and here are the little arms,
They are so cute.
and here are the legs.
Wow.
The heartbeat is strong and everything looks healthy.
Thank goodness.
Would you like to know if it is a boy or a girl?
Yes, but not today.
What do you mean?
Could you write it on a piece of paper and put it in an envelope?
Of course.
My husband and I want to open it together.
That sounds like a lovely idea.
Thank you.
I will do that.
Great.
Everything looks normal.
I'm so happy to hear that.
Keep eating healthy food.
I will.
Drink plenty of water
Okay,
and get plenty of rest.
I will.
I will see you again in a few weeks.
Thank you very much, doctor.
You're welcome. Take care and congratulations again.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Finding out the baby's gender. Hi, honey. I'm home.
Hi, how was work?
It was good. A little busy.
I'm glad you're home.
Me too. How was your doctor's appointment?
It went really well.
I'm sorry I couldn't go with you today.
It's okay, I understand.
Work has been so busy lately.
I know. Don't worry, babe.
So, tell me everything.
The doctor said the baby is healthy.
That's wonderful.
Everything looks good.
I'm so happy to hear that.
We saw the baby on the screen again.
Really? That must have been amazing.
It was. I saw the little hands, the legs, and the head.
I wish I had been there.
I know. Next time.
Did the doctor say if the baby is a boy or a girl?
Yes. I asked the doctor to write it on a piece of paper and put it in an envelope.
You didn't look?
No, I wanted to wait for you.
That is so sweet.
Do you want to open it now?
Yes,
Are you ready?
I think so. 1, 2, 3.
Open it.
It's a girl.
Really?
Yes, we're having a baby girl.
Oh my goodness.
I'm so happy.
Me too.
Now we need a name.
I have been thinking about names for a long time.
Really? Tell me.
I like Naomi, Hannah, Stacy, Susan, and Emma.
Those are all beautiful names.
Which one do you like the most?
I think Naomi sounds really nice.
Really?
Yes, I like that name a lot.
Do you have any other ideas?
I was also thinking about Charlotte, Stacy, and Lauren.
Lauren.
Do you like it?
I love it. I never thought about that name before.
It is beautiful.
It really is.
Then maybe our little girl will be Lauren.
I would love that.
I can't wait to meet little Lauren.
Me neither.
Preparing the baby's room. This room looks so different already.
I know. I love the pink color.
Me too.
Can you hand me the paintbrush, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Thanks.
Do you think we need one more coat of paint?
Maybe just one more.
Okay, we have enough paint.
Great.
Where do you want to put the crib?
I think it will look nice next to the window.
Are you sure?
Yes, there is plenty of space there.
I like that idea.
What about the changing table?
Maybe we can put it next to the crib.
That sounds perfect.
Then everything will be close together.
Exactly.
Do we have everything for the baby now?
Not yet.
What do we still need?
We still need some clothes, blankets, bottles, and diapers.
That's not too much.
We also need a stroller.
Right, we haven't bought one yet.
There are so many to choose from.
Then let's go shopping tomorrow.
I would love that.
Is there anything else we need?
Maybe a baby monitor.
Good idea.
And a few toys.
Lauren is going to have a beautiful room.
I hope she likes it one day.
I'm sure she will.
I can't wait to hold her.
Me neither.
Meeting baby Lauren. Oh my goodness.
What do you think?
She is so beautiful. I can't believe you have a baby now.
I can't believe it either.
My little sister is a mom.
I know, it still feels strange sometimes.
She is adorable.
She is.
Can I hold her?
Of course. Just be careful.
Don't worry, I've got her.
You're going to be the best uncle.
I hope so. How was the birth?
It went very well. I was in labor for about 3 hours.
Only 3 hours?
Yes, the doctor said everything went very smoothly.
That's great.
I'm very thankful.
How are you feeling now?
I'm a little tired, but I'm doing well.
That is normal. And how is Lauren?
She is healthy and she eats and sleeps very well.
That's wonderful.
We are very lucky.
You really are.
I'm also so happy that our family is here.
We are all very happy for you.
Thank you.
I saw Lauren's room. It is beautiful.
Really?
Yes, you and David did an amazing job.
Thank you. We worked on it for weeks.
It was worth it.
I think Lauren likes it too.
I'm sure she does.
I'm so happy you're here. Lauren is lucky to have you.
And I'm lucky to have such an amazing niece.
She already loves her uncle.
I already love her too.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Thanks so much, and good luck with your English learning.